How to delete Play Store search history permanently. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete Play Store search history permanently. First, open the Play Store on your mobile device. Then tap the search icon at the bottom right corner and tap on the search bar. Here, you will see your search history, which you can delete individually. Next, go back and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Settings and tap on General. Now tap on Account and Device Preferences. Scroll down until you find Clear Device Search History and tap on it. Finally, confirm by tapping Clear History. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.